Today we look at surprising animal clips caught by doorbell cams. These unsuspecting people didn't realise something was laying claim to their house. The third fella was made very aware.
I got bit! Oh!
Here we see the quick action of a woman saves her pet from a tragic injury.
Oh my God, get back! Clarence! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Imagine hearing your doorbell only to find these guys at your door. This is one group of solicitors you don't want to answer for. This gentleman found a surprise package in his friend's mailbox. The common theme here is to always be aware of your surroundings.
Ow! Kurt, take me to the hospital! Take me to the hospital! I think that's fake. I think that's fake.